In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the page setup in Google Docs, specifically focusing on setting your preferred margins. This is a simple yet essential skill that can make your documents more visually appealing and professionally formatted. Whether you're preparing a report, drafting a letter, or polishing up an essay, adjusting your margins can make a world of difference in the presentation of your document. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got your Google Doc open. If you haven't already, head over to your Google Drive, open up the document you want to work on, and have it ready on your screen. It's always a good idea to have everything set up before you begin to ensure a smooth process. Once your document is open, the next step involves navigating to the File menu located at the top left of your screen. This menu houses several options that allow you to manage your document more effectively. Click on File and a drop-down menu will appear revealing a variety of commands. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Page Setup. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the menu. When you click on Page Setup, a new dialog box appears. It's within this box that you'll find various settings to customize your document's appearance. The key feature we're focusing on today is the margins section. Here you have the opportunity to set your document's margins according to your preference or the specifications provided to you by a teacher, editor, or client. You'll see options to adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Simply enter the desired measurement for each one. Having flexible margin settings is incredibly useful, especially if you're following a specific style guide or if you need to ensure your content fits perfectly on a single page. With your preferred margins in place, take a moment to double check everything. Once you're satisfied, the final step is to confirm the changes. To do this, click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This action saves your margin settings and applies them to your document. Immediately, you'll notice the changes reflected in your document layout. And just like that, you're all done. Adjusting margins can be a subtle yet powerful tool in crafting a polished document. Keeping sections aligned, ensuring adequate space for notes, or simply making your document align with specific requirements can all be achieved with these few straightforward steps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide on setting margins in Google Docs proves helpful in your future document crafting endeavors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.